If you're looking for a full wet area solution that's super quick and easy to install, consider Villaboard and Secura Interior Flooring from James Hardie. Both Villaboard and Secura Flooring are made from James Hardie's premium fibre cement, meaning they're extremely durable. Suitable for any type of bathroom, and because of their inherent water resistance, many areas won't require waterproofing, which saves you a lot of time and hassle. Okay, so the main reason I love using Secura Flooring is it's extremely easy to install because of the tongue and groove system, and you can fix it with a nail gun. So there's no need for pre-drilling or screwing anything. You can just clip it all together, put some glue in your joint, nail it all down. This whole floor will take me under 10 minutes to install, so it's a really good system for that. So the bathroom is the most expensive area in the house, so it's so important to get the substructure right so you're never going to have future problems. Secura Flooring won't warp, twist or rot, so this gives you the ultimate foundation for tiles, vinyl or flooring. With Secura Interior Flooring, unlike timber flooring, you can tile directly, removing the need for underlays and mortar beds outside the shower area. So as you can see, that was a bathroom floor installed in 10 minutes. This system is really quick and easy to use because you can use a nail gun and the tongue and groove system. So you saw how easy the floor was. Now it's time to install the walls. So I'll chuck that on now and show you how it's done. Villaboard lining substrate is exceptionally strong. It has twice the flexural strength of wet area plasterboard. When cutting the Villaboard, use a Villaboard knife. This has been designed to cut with one single pass, so it makes the installation process a lot quicker and cleaner. Tip when cutting the sheet, just put one knee against your cut line and then pull upwards with your hand and it breaks pretty easily. These are just two fibre cement products from James Hardie that are perfect for future-proofing wet areas. So why not give them a go on your next project?